Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue class 10 science. This is practice paper number 23. So let us answer for practice paper number 23. In the previous video, we have answered for practice paper number 22. Now let us move for part A, that is physics. So let us answer the first question related to physics. So the first question is, when light ray enters the eye, most of the refraction occurs at the dash crystalline lens, outer surface of the cornea, iris, pupil. So among these four options, so when light ray enters the eye, most of the refraction. So most of the refraction occurs at the dash crystalline lens, outer surface of the cornea, iris, and pupil. So let us see which will be the right answer. So among these four options, the right option is B, outer surface of the cornea. So for the first question, the right answer is option B, that is outer surface of the cornea. Outer surface of the cornea. So now let us move for the second question. The focal length of the eye lens increases when eye muscles dash are relaxed and lens become thinner, contract and lens become thicker, or relaxed and lens become thicker, contract and lens become thinner. So among these four options, the focal length of the eye lens increases. So focal length increase ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಥಿಕ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. ಲೆನ್ಸು ಥಿನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆಸ್ ದ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್, that means as the lens become thin, ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಥಿನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಕರ್ವೇಚರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕರ್ವೇಚರು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್, ಸೊ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಖಂಡಿತ ಥಿನ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಥಿನ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಐ ಲೆನ್ಸು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾ, ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So the right answer is when eye muscles are relaxed and lens becomes thinner. So for the second question, the right option is option A, that is are relaxed and lens become and are relaxed and lens becomes thinner. So now let us move for the second main, that is third question. What is meant by near point? So near point andre ಏನು? What is meant by near point? So near point is the point at which so the nearest point is defined. What is meant by a near point? Near point is defined as, so it is defined as the nearest point at which the object can be seen, clearly without any strain. The nearest point is 25 centimeter. So this is about nearest point. So now let us move for the next question, that is question number third main, question number 4. So question number 4 is, what is dispersion and what is the cause for dispersion? So what is meant by dispersion? The phenomenon of splitting up of white light into 7 constituent colors into 7 constituent colors is called dispersion. And what is the cause for dispersion? So dispersion is caused because different media has different different refractive index. Refractive index is different for different media. So that is the cause for dispersion. Now let us move for question number 5. That is, in the question number 5 they given how rainbow is caused. So let us answer how rainbow is caused. So let us answer fifth question, how rainbow is caused. So after rainfall some tiny raindrops remains suspended in the atmosphere when sunlight falls on these drops. Dispersion of light takes place while undergoing refraction, because tiny water droplets acts like a prism and so rainbow is formed. So this is the answer for that is fifth question. Now let us move for the fourth main, that is seventh question. So let us answer the fourth main now. The seventh question of fourth main is, sixth question we have to answer now. So that is sixth question. So third main only, sixth question. So here two questions will be there. So let us answer both the questions A and B. The first question is, a 14-year-old student is not able to see clearly the questions written on the blackboard at a distance of 5 meters from him. Name the defect of vision he is suffering from. Name the type of lens used to correct this defect. So now a 14-year-old student is not able to. So for this question, the first one is, name the defect of vision he is suffering from. So he is suffering from a eye disease called myopia. Then second question, name the type of lens. So for this one, we are using concave lens. By using concave lens, this defect can be corrected. So now let us move for seventh question. That is, what is myopia? What is the cause? How to correct it? So what is myopia? A condition in which a person can see A person can see near object clearly but not the far object. Now let us see what is the meaning of myopia. Next we should know what is the cause for myopia. So cause for myopia, causes. So let us write what are the causes for myopia. So myopia is caused due to, so ಮೊದಲನೇ reason ಗೆ ಬರೋದಾದ್ರೆ, it is caused due to excessive curvature of the lens. It is due to excessive, first one, due to excessive curvature of the lens. ಒಂದು. ಎರಡನೇದು, the second reason for myopia is elongation of the eyeball. Because due to elongation of the eyeball. Due to elongation of the eyeball. This is the cause for myopia. Then how to correct it? So myopia can be corrected by using concave lens. So now let us move for 8th question now. The 8th question of physics part is, why do star twinkle? So star yake twinkle? Why the star will twinkle? So when a light coming from a star, when a light coming from star enters the Earth's atmosphere, it undergoes atmospheric refraction. It undergoes atmospheric refraction on account of varying refractive index of air at different points. The continuously changing atmospheric refraction, the light from a star appears to be twinkle. So this is the answer for question number 8. So by this we have completed that is part A physics. Now let us move for part B chemistry. So the first question of part B chemistry is, the number of isomers of pentane is 2, 3, 4, 5. So pentane has 3 isomers: normal pentane, isopentane, neopentane. So for the 9th question, the right answer is option B, 3. Normal pentane, isopentane, neopentane. Now let us move for question number 10. That is, which of the following will undergo addition reaction? Always unsaturated hydrocarbon undergoes addition reaction. CH4 is saturated, C3H8 saturated, C2H6 also saturated, and C2H4 it is unsaturated. Therefore, for 10th question, the right option is option D, that is C2H4, that is called ethene. Ethene undergoes addition reaction because it is unsaturated hydrocarbon. So now let us move sixth main, that is 11th question. The first question, 11th is in the sixth main, the first question is write the formation of oxygen molecule. So let us see how the oxygen molecule is formed. So oxygen atomic number is 8. So its configuration is 2, 6. The valence electrons are 6. If you give 2 electrons, by gaining 2 electrons, it completes its shell. So oxygen O, here O. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this oxygen will share 2 electrons from this oxygen, and this oxygen will share 2 electrons from this oxygen. So it will become O double bond O. So O double bond O is like this, the sharing of atoms between sharing of electrons between atoms to form oxygen molecule. So it is a diatomic. Now let us move for question number 7th main, question number 12. So in the 7th main, the question number 12 is write the differences between saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. So let us write the difference between saturated and unsaturated. So the first difference between saturated and unsaturated, first point, it has single bond. It has single bond. It has double or triple bond. Then second one, it is less reactive. It is less reactive. It is more reactive. It is more reactive. Third one, it undergoes substitution reaction. It undergoes addition reaction. Example for saturated hydrocarbon is alkane. Example for unsaturated hydrocarbon is alkene and alkyne. Kene and kyne. So now let us move for question number 13. So the question number 13 is what are aromatic hydrocarbon? Give example and its molecular and structural formula. So what are aromatic hydrocarbon? The hydrocarbon which gives a pleasant smell. A hydrocarbon which gives a pleasant smell is called as saturated hydrocarbon. Example for is called aromatic hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbon which gives pleasant smell is called aromatic hydrocarbon. Example for aromatic hydrocarbon is benzene. So its molecular formula is C6H6. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. So here hydrogen 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the molecular formula and this is the structural formula for benzene. So now let us move for the next main, that is question number 14. So question number 14 is what are homologous series? Give example. So let us answer what is meant by homologous series and example. So what are homologous series? A series of same organic compound, a series of same organic compound having a difference of CH2 between successive members. So they asked the example. So example is CH4 methane, C2H6 ethane, C3H8 propane, C4H10 butane. This is the series of organic compounds. It is a series of same organic compound, that is all these four are alkane. The difference between them is CH2. Now let us move for 15th question, that is 8th mean. So let us see what is that 15th question. So the 15th question is explain the cleansing action of soap. So let us explain the cleansing action of soap. So cleansing action of soap can be explained in three steps. First one is soap molecule. So how the soap molecule will be there, that we have to explain. So this is the tail part, and this tail part will contain long chain hydrocarbon, and this tail part is always hydrophobic, not philic, hydrophobic, and this is called as head part, and this head part is what is there, it is hydrophilic. Hydrophobic means it is fear of water. So ಮೊದಲು soap molecule ಅನ್ನು ಈ ರೀತಿ explain ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So soap molecule has two part. One is tail part, another one is head. Tail part will have long chain hydrocarbon, then head part will have carboxylic part, and that tail part is hydrophobic, it is fear of water, and head part is hydrophilic, it is having love towards water. This is the first step. Then coming to the second step, that is soap molecules are arranged. Soap molecules are arranged in one pattern such a way that all tile gets attached to dirt and all edges faces outwards, called micellae. So this is the dirt. So now this is the tail part. See, all the tail parts are attached to dirt. This cluster of soap molecule is called as micellae. So this arrangement of soap molecule is called as micellae. This is the dirt part. Then step number C. So what happens in step number C? When micelle containing clothes flushed with water since it has more attraction towards water water takes away ed takes away tile tile finally takes away dirt from clothes. Like this, the clothes will be washed. From the clothes, the dirt will be removed. Now let us move for the last question of chemistry part, that is explain oxidation reaction with example. So let us explain oxidation reaction with example, and this is the last question of part B chemistry. First let us explain what is meant by oxidation reaction, and then let us take the example. So what is oxidation reaction? A reaction of adding of oxygen or removal of hydrogen by using a oxidizing agent is called oxidation. So example, let us take an example. So conversion of ethanol into ethanoic acid. So now let us explain this one. Let's explain how to convert ethanol into ethanoic acid. So ethanol is converted into ethanoic acid by using alkaline potassium permanganate or acidified potassium dichromate as a oxidizing agent to get ethanoic acid. So let us write the equation. CH3CH2OH. It is C2H5OH, which is called ethanol. By using alkaline potassium permanganate or acidified potassium K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate to get CH3COOH. This CH3COOH is called ethanoic acid, or it is also called as that is acetic acid or ethanoic acid. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ that is oxidation, removal of hydrogen and adding of oxygen, that is called as oxidation. So by this we have completed part B chemistry. Now the last part is part C, biology. So that is 9th means 17th question. So let us see what is the 17th question. The number of atoms of oxygen present in ozone are 3, 4, 2, 1. Ozone means O3. It contains 3 atoms of oxygen. For 17th question, option A, 3 is the answer. Now let us move for the 18th question. In the 18th question, ozone layer is damaged by CH4, CO2, SO2, CFCs. That is CFC. The right answer for second question is ozone layer is damaged by CFC. Now let us move for question number 19. So what are trophic levels? So what are trophic level? This is 10th mean. Each level of food chain. Each level of food chain is called as trophic level. Now let us move for question number 20, that is 11th me. So what are decomposers? First, what is the role of decomposers in the ecosystem? So what is meant by decomposers? The living organisms which converts complex substances into simple substances is called decomposers. Then what are the role of decomposers in the environment? That is, it cleans the environment. One. Second role of the decomposers is it helps in recycle. This is the second point. Then the third point is, the third role of decomposers is it increases soil fertility. Now let us move for 21st question. The 21st question is, write a typical grassland food chain. So let us write the typical grassland food chain. So here grass is there. This grass is eaten by grasshopper. Grasshopper is eaten by frog. Frog will be eaten by snake. And snake will be eaten by eagle. So this is a typical grassland food chain. Now let us move for the last question of biology, that is 22nd question. What is explain biological magnification with example? So let us explain with example. What is biological magnification? The process of increase of concentration of toxic chemicals at higher trophic levels through at higher trophic level through food chain is called as biological magnification. Example for biological magnification. So three plants are there, P1, P2, P3, and these plants will be eaten by frog F1, F2, F3. So in each plant X quantity of DDT will be there, and these plant will be eaten by three frog, and those frog will get, each frog will get 3x number of 3x quantity of DDT will be when we spray the DDT on the plants. So on each plant x quantity of DDT will get deposit. That plant will be eaten by three frogs, and each frog will get 3x quantity of DDT. Then from first level to second level, the concentration of DDT increased, and these three frogs will be eaten by two snakes, and hence each snake will get 6x quantity of DDT. So now as we see here, at each trophic level the concentration of toxic chemical increases, and these two snakes will be eaten by one eagle, and the quantity of DDT in eagle will be 12x. Like this, at each trophic level, this is first trophic level, this is second trophic level, this is third trophic level, and this is fourth trophic level. At each trophic level the concentration of DDT increases, and this increase of toxic chemicals at higher trophic levels is called as biological magnification. So by this we have successfully answered all the questions related to practice paper number 23. In the next video, we are going to answer for 24. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos, and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So thanks everyone for your great support. Once again, thank you very much.